Hi and welcome to Tales from the Gaming Table. Today will be our first unboxing episode and we'll be unboxing a game called Aldarra from Sordane Publishing. This is the box it ships in. So I've already opened it and set it aside over here. I purchased the upgraded version, so with the upgraded version I've got metal coins, and as you can see it's got a black bag to store them in and it's a full set of coins to play the game with. Additionally, with this particular version I got the upgrade kit, which give me token markers, actual playing pieces, gems, and dice. As you can see, the upgraded components, which I'll give you close-ups of, really nice. And the games themselves are huge. This is the box for the main game. As you can see, quite large. Player game. Takes about 45 minutes per player. It is a 4E game. So you'd almost want to put this game on a pedestal. Okay, the first thing we find as we open it, starting tiles, coins for money, markers, all of which are in the upgrade kit. We have the instruction manuals, and then we have each of the races that are included in the base set. The base set contains 4 races, plus the very bottom of the tile. There's actually more dice, cards, as well as starting tiles for the game. Each race within the game, which you can paint if you'd like. So again, 4 races in the base set. Pieces are very well done. As you can see, this is an example of their engineer. Outposts, ships are 2 levels. And you notice the size of some of the ships in the lower level are quite large. Example, I'll put that on my hand for you. So quite well done, quite large pieces. Put all this back in the box. Instructions, pieces. So that's the base game. Base game starts you with 4 factions and enough to have quite a good gameplay experience. We'll box this one back up. Sleeve it. And set it aside over here. So if you buy the base game, that's what you're going to get. However, with my purchase, I also received the Savage Skies. Savage Skies allows me to have 2 additional factions, and I can't wait to open it. However, as this was a Christmas gift, I am not allowed to do anything else with it other than an unboxing video. So I will not be opening this one at this time. I look forward to actually posting the gameplay videos as I am able to, which will be Christmas time, so 4 months from now. And hope you enjoyed this video and gives you a little bit of excitement into Aldarra. There are gameplay videos out already if you want to check it out before I get a chance to do mine. And thank you for watching.